going to study about the aloe vera plant. Continuing with our video on healthy beneficial plants. We are studying today the aloe vera plant. Aloe vera, you know all that it has got so many health benefits. So ma'am thought that why not to teach you about this aloe vera plant. You see, this is the aloe vera plant which ma'am has kept here. So many, this is very old one. It has got such long and old roots. You can see here. This is a very small aloe vera plant which ma'am has kept here. You can see this one. Then these are different aloe vera plants in different pots. And you see it has got very thick leaves. So it is actually a succulent which stores water in its leaves. So these leaves, you see, these leaves are storing water. Okay. So its scientific name you should know, that is Aloe barbadensis is the scientific name of aloe vera. Now, what are its health benefits? Why we say that this aloe vera is very, very beneficial for us? Actually, you see students, its leaf which is very thick. This leaf is having some gel inside it. Ma'am can break a leaf and show you. If I break a leaf like this, you see it has got some gel inside it. This jelly portion is there inside it. Now this gel has got several uses, and from this leaf actually a juice is made, and that juice is also used for drinking purpose. So let's understand the uses with the gel. What is given? Vitamins, amino acids, minerals. It is the source of vitamin B12. It is source of number of other vitamins and minerals like calcium is there, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus. So many minerals are given by this aloe vera plant. So students, that is very helpful for us. Then it gives polyphenols which have got antibacterial, antiviral and antiseptic properties. Okay. It is alkaline in nature. Alkalinity actually helps in reducing the action of bacteria and viruses. The bodies which are having acidic pH, they will have more infections. So when we take the aloe vera juice, then what will happen? It is alkaline in nature. So that will help in reducing several types of infections in our body. Now it is a very, very good skin protectant. You might have seen that aloe vera gel is used for application on the skin. So it is a very good skin protectant. How it helps? It helps in the sores, in the first and second degree burns. It is very, very helpful, and it is said by a study of scientists that about 9 times it is faster than whatever medicines are available for burns. Then related to skin, it soars acne, psoriasis and eczema. In case of acne, we can use this aloe vera. Then in case of psoriasis and eczema also, it is very helpful. Then it prevents wrinkles. So wrinkles on the face during the old age. People are generally very worried about their wrinkles. So it helps in curing that problem if you apply on a regular basis this aloe vera gel on your body. So wrinkles on your face will reduce. It is a good constipation reliever. Actually latex is there below this leaf. There is a latex, and that helps. Latex is a secretion of this leaf, and it helps in relieving constipation. Okay. Actually, that is having a compound called aloin, and that helps in this laxative property. Then heartburn. Gastric ulcers are actually relieved by using or drinking aloe vera juice. So it helps in the heartburns. It relieves from heartburns. Then as it stores water in its leaves, and this being succulent, actually it does not need much amount of water. So aloe vera plant you can see in the desert regions also. Like in Rajasthan, if you go, you can see aloe vera plants. So it's helpful for the animals of the desert also, because they can get water by drinking this water from this leaf. That is some other benefit which ma'am has told related to animals. Then other relief given by aloe vera is, it helps in relieving from canker of mouth. Mouth ulcers are relieved by application of this aloe vera in the mouth for about 1 week. Then healthy hair. It helps in growth of the hair also properly, because it provides us many minerals and vitamins. So biotin, which is required for growth of hair, that is provided by aloe vera. Then it helps in liver function. It helps in hydrating our body. When hydration is there, so naturally liver will function properly. Then it is very helpful in blood sugar. It helps in reducing the blood sugar, and it helps in hydrating our body, providing water to our body. But there is one limitation. The limitation is it can cause diarrhea, because it has got this laxative property, so it can result in diarrhea. So students, I hope you have understood today that these aloe vera plants, which ma'am has arranged and which has got the scientific name of Aloe barbadensis, and which has got about 300 species, that is very helpful for us, and even all the ladies will be happy to know about all these health benefits of aloe vera. So happy learning. Continue watching my videos on Unique Learning channel. Press the subscribe button at the bottom. Give your remarks. I am trying to tell you about the health benefits of plants so that you can use them in your everyday life also. And this will be very beneficial for the students of botany, and who are in college and who are also in 11th and 12th standard. Plus all the homemakers, they can get benefit by knowing about this aloe vera. And aloe vera doesn't need much care, as I told you before also, that it needs very little water. So you will be happy growing this aloe vera. Also it is a air purifier, so you can grow it around your house. It will grow very fast. It doesn't need much care. So happy learning. Keep on watching my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.